Hey riders, welcome back to Bike Review Hub, your go-to channel for honest and exciting motorcycle reviews. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S, a modern cruiser that's turning heads and winning hearts in the middleweight segment. Let's see if this revamped Vulcan still holds its crown or if it's just riding on past glory. Design and styling, sleek yet aggressive. The 2025 Vulcan S continues to flaunt its signature aggressive cruiser look, but with a sharper edge. Kawasaki has given it minor but noticeable design tweaks, updated LED headlamp, sleeker tail section, and a refined fuel tank that gives it a more muscular stance. The new matte and metallic color options add a premium vibe that sets it apart from previous models. Engine and performance, same heart, sharper bite. At the core, the Vulcan S retains its trusted 649 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, borrowed from the Ninja 650 but tuned for more torque in the low and mid-range. It produces around 61 horsepower and 62 Newton-meters of torque, offering a smooth and responsive ride, whether you're cruising on the highway or zipping through city streets. The throttle response feels tighter this year, and the 6-speed gearbox shifts like butter. Riding comfort and ergonomics, ERGO-Fit still rocks. One of the Vulcan S's biggest strengths has always been comfort, and Kawasaki keeps that legacy alive with its ERGO-Fit customization system. Whether you're tall, short, or somewhere in between, the adjustable seat, foot pegs, and handlebar positions let you tailor the ride to your body. The low 705mm seat height and relaxed geometry make this cruiser extremely beginner-friendly yet satisfying for seasoned riders. Tech and features, simple but smart. While it's not overloaded with tech, the 2025 Vulcan S adds a new semi-digital display with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to pair your phone and access ride stats through the Kawasaki Radiology app. ABS remains standard, and while there's no traction control or ride modes, it keeps things simple, which many purists will appreciate. Brakes, suspension, and ride quality. The Vulcan S comes with a 300mm front disc and 250mm rear, offering solid stopping power. The front telescopic fork and rear monoshock handle bumps well, and the bike feels stable even on uneven surfaces. Kawasaki has subtly refined the suspension tuning for a more composed feel over long rides. Pricing and final verdict. The 2025 Vulcan S is priced competitively around 7.5 Indian rupees to 8 Indian rupees lakhs, ex-showroom India, making it an attractive choice in the middleweight cruiser category. If you're looking for a reliable, stylish, and comfortable cruiser with solid performance and customization options, the Vulcan S is still one of the best in the game. That's it for today's review of the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S. What do you think, cruiser perfection or time for a change? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.